Hello, welcome to another exciting edition with Winnie Honor. So, still on division of mixed numbers. For question 1, we have 4 whole number 1 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 7. Previously, I said that step 1 is to change mixed number to improper fraction. So, you have your 4 whole number 1 over 3 becomes that 4 times 3 plus 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 over our denominator here is 3. Now, 2 whole number 1 over 7 becomes 2 times 7 plus 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 over 7. When you are changing to improper fraction, you must take note of your digits properly. The moment you subtract 1 or you add 1, you have missed the whole question. Now for step 2. Step 2. We are going to change divide 2 times. So you have your 13 over 3 divided by 15 over 7. This is not proper because we can't solve using divide divided by divide. So we have to change this to 13 over 3 times. The moment you change divide to times, the numerator comes down and the denominator goes up. So in that case, we have 13 over 3 times 7 over 15. Looking at these digits or this fraction, you can't say something going to 13 and something going to 15. No, there's no factor that can go into 13 and 15. So what we do is 13 times 7 over 3 times 15. 13 times 7, 3 times 7 is 21. 1 carry 2. 1 times 1, 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 2, that is 91. Here we have 91 over 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Here you have 91 over 45. Now looking at this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. How is it an improper fraction? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction and we can't leave it at improper fraction. We have to change it to mixed number because this is an improper fraction. So how many times can 45 go into 91? How many times can you find 45 in 91? That is 91 divided by 45. You can do your 45 times table. 45 times 1 is 45. 45 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 90. 45 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. Of course, we can find 45 in 91 2 times because 45 times 2 is 90. So 45 in 45 is 1. 45 in 91 is 2. 2 whole number remaining 1. This is the remaining 1. 1 over 45. This is our answer. 2 whole number 1 over 45. Now for question 2. We have 1 whole number 1 over 6 divided by 1 whole number 8 over 9. So what we're going to do here again, just like step 1, change the improper fraction. That will be 1 times 6 plus 1. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 6. So this is the improper fraction. Now, you have 1 whole number 1 whole number 8 over 9. Change it to mixed number. To improper fraction, change it to improper fraction. That will be 1 times 9. 1 times 9 plus 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17 over 9. Our denominator is 9. So for step 2, we are going to change the by to times. So you have 7 over 6 times, don't forget, when you change the by to times, the fraction on your right, the denominator goes up, numerator comes down. You have 9 over 17. 7 over 6 times 9 over 17. So what do? 7 times 9 over 6 times 17. We can find a factor that can go into 6 and 9. That factor is 3. 3 here is 3. 3 here is 2. So going for that, we have 7 times 3 over 2 times 17. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 21 over 34. This is our answer. There is no factor that can go into 21 and 34. So our answer is 21 over 34. Why didn't we change it to mixed number? This is not an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction in the sense that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is a proper fraction. It's only when you have an improper fraction you have to change it to mixed number. Now for question 3. You have 8 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 5 whole number 2 over 4. Step 1 is to change mixed number to improper fraction. So you have your 8 times 4 plus 1. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 over 4. Now, here too, we are changing this to mixed number. So you have 5 times 4 plus 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 over 4. Now, change the by to times. That's our step 2. So you have your 33 over 4 times. Don't forget, when you change the by to times, the fraction on your right reverses. So 4 goes up, 22 comes down. So going further, we have 33 times 4 over 4 times 22. 4 here, 1. 4 here is 1. I have a factor. I know a factor that can go into 33 and 22, and that factor is 11. 11 here is 2. 11 here is 3. So here I have 3 times 1 over 1 times 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is an improper fraction. We can't stop here. We have to break it down. How many times can 2 go into 3? 2 here is 1. 2 into 3 is 1, remaining 1. So our answer is 1 whole number 1 over 2.